the standard Western thing of dividing and conquer. Because now they've got India in their pocket. Pakistan and India are fighting. But before, Punjab, massive state, the Muslims were living freely with the Sikhs. Everyone was living happily together. And then what happened? Divide and conquer.
And that was powerful. Punjab means 5 rivers. Punjab was powerful enough to take on the whole world. So why would somebody come and divide it right in the middle? Because it doesn't want it to look outside of that country to go and conquer.
Yeah.
And this little small island, which I am proud to be British as well, but conquered most of the world.
Yeah, they did.
You know, because they were very smart on deals and contracts and how they got alliances and broker deals. And we should learn from that.
That's the thing, like how we can say like the whole world, or America, UK, Israel now as well, they're conquering, or they're trying to conquer the world, and they're trying to pool everything together because they have their own wider conspiracies or wider goals, but everywhere else is fractured. Like we see in our own Asian households, 2 brothers won't talk to each other, sisters won't talk to each other, husband and wife don't talk to each other properly, and it's like that throughout. But if we stay united, and it's like we said at the beginning, the whole energy, we stay united. Me and you have probably spoken 10 times, 12 times in the past year, but we don't hate each other. In fact, whenever we speak, it's always like half an hour conversation.
A lot of respect for each other.
And I think that's the way the world needs to be. Like, respect one another, standard, simple. But use that to push a wider goal. So how do you think working together, us together as humans, or not necessarily the whole world obviously, but working together with other people can help the whole community reach a wider goal?
Well, first of all, that thing about working together and partnership doesn't work for everybody.
Why?
Because you're putting your faith into something outer than you. Yeah, you could be very OCD. You could look at, my business is flowing like this, my staff comes out here, I can control them, I tell them what to do, and that's my outcome. You give that responsibility to somebody else and try to leverage and move on, and it doesn't happen that way, then very quickly you get disappointed.